Hi, Sahr, it's Mr. Smith, and I'm just going to show you a couple of things and then I'll do that problem. So hopefully you've already read the first introduction, and it told you what to do here in eCampus and my math lab. But it points you to go to lessons and assignments eventually when you're going to do the assignments. If you haven't watched the video tour of eCampus and my math lab, I think that would be useful. But I'm going to go ahead and go into my math lab assignments, and you're in section 4.2. And so if you go to the videos section right above, these first two videos are the videos that I make. They're just like what I do in the classroom. And let's see where we're at. So this
is part
there's
two
actually
where we're
3
converting back
problems
and
here that I
forth
do
between and so on. Now,
that are just
notice
like the
it's going to
one
be
that
the
you're
ones
having
place.
problems with.
Can do it.
There's
This
the
is the
third
hardest
one.
one. You've got to be careful. You're going to
And
run.
so I highly encourage you to always watch my videos and take notes and then go do the homework. And maybe you already did that, but I think those 3 examples would be plenty enough to help you with this problem. But I'm going to go ahead and do this one for you. So it was 125 to base 3. I know you can go online and you can find stuff, but a lot of times you'll run into other techniques, and the main thing is I want to see that you understand how to do the problem, not just get an answer. And so with this problem here, the first thing you normally do for a base 3 system, you're going to want to know what your digits are. So you're going to use 0 up to 2. So in a base 3 system, you're going to have 3 digits. Notice there is no digit for 3. And then your place values are the ones place, the 3 to the first powers place, 3 squareds place, 3 cubes place, 3 to the fourth place, and so on. Now I could go farther, but it looks like 3 to the fourth is 81. In fact, let me go ahead and rewrite these. I think of it as the ones place, the threes place, the nines place, the 27s place, and the 81s place. And 3 times 81 is certainly going to be more than 125. So 3 to the 5th power, whoa, didn't write that very well, is too big. So we're going to start at 3 to the 4th, and we're going to divide 125 by 81. We're basically asking ourselves how many 81s are there in this number 125. And of course there's 1, and so we'll subtract here, and we get a remainder of 44. So then we're going to take that remainder, and it's going to be our next dividend, and then now we'll divide by 27. Again, there's only 127 and 44. And we're going to get a remainder of 17. And so then we'll take that remainder and put it here. And now we're dividing by 9. And again, it only goes one time, so 1 times 9 is 9. And when you subtract, you get 8. And so we'll take that 8 now. And now we're going to divide by the next positional power, which is 3. And notice there's 2 3s and 8. So 2 times 3 is 6, and when we subtract, we get a remainder of 2. And so now, finally, you always want to make sure you go all the way to the ones place. You could even have zeros in here along the way. And so our remainder was 2. We're dividing by 1. Of course, there's 2 ones and 2. And we do get a remainder of 0, which we should always get when we're dealing with division by 1. And so this part here gives us our answer. It's 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, with a subscript of 3, base 3. Oops, you can't see that. Let me move that down. All right, and so that's how you do that problem. And again, there's 3 more examples in that video, and I hope that helps.